How to control image composition with prompts. So I'm over here at OpenArt AI in the new workspace. If you want to use the new workspace, just use it here. Just come to the home page, or you could use the previous version. I'm gonna go to the previous because it's cheaper. I'm gonna go to image, then create image, and here we're gonna write the prompt. So I have it written over here. To control an image composition, you need to specify camera framing. So close up, medium, wide, low angle, power, high angle, weak. So we're gonna do wide shot, then we can do low angle or high angle. Let's go with low. Then positioning, number 2, positioning, left, right, centered, foreground or background. So I'm gonna give it subject on the right, let's say. Over here you have an example, subject on the left, city in the background. So rule of thirds, we could add rule of thirds. The next one would be depth, which is background, subject, foreground. So we're gonna add background, city, background, I guess. Whoops. Okay. And then the next one is leading line. So roads, walls pointing to subject. So we're gonna do leading lines. Negative space, minimal subject on the right, empty space on left. If you want to add that, I'm not gonna add that. And 7, lens ratio. So this is the size, cinematic. I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna post it here. Now it does say that you could add the size, but you don't have to, because if I'm gonna remove the aspect ratio, I could do 4K resolution, and then I could change it over here. So it was 1609, right? Yeah, 1609. I'm gonna click here, and then I'm gonna pick let's say one image. It's gonna cost 80 credits. As you can see, I have almost 30,000 credits, and I'm gonna click create. I'm gonna skip the waiting because it's gonna take time to generate. Okay, so it's done generating the image. Let's click on that and let's see. Click on the view. So we gave it a shot, close up, or wide. We give it a wide, right? So it's a wide, low angle. Positioning, the subject needs to be on the right. So here it is on the right. Background was a city background. Here you go. Rule of thirds, background, of course, and leading lines, which is so like roads, railways. So as you can see, we have all the bridges, railways that we specifically added. We didn't add any negative space. And the cinematic, and 19 by 6, so it's already 19 by 6, as you can see. That would be squared image. That would be 16 by 9, sorry. Yeah, so this is how you controlling composition in AI. So it's basically about telling the model where things go, how they are framed, and how the viewer's eye should move. So yeah, it's all about the prompt. Give it more specific detailed and where you want the things to be. Okay, so that's it. This is how you can control image composition with prompts. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like, and thank you for watching.